In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom super agent in Genspark. First, open Genspark and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace if your organization has more than one. Once you're in, give the page a second to load your dashboard so all the creation tools are available. Next, head to the custom super agent area. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the sidebar or under a Create or Agent section. You're looking for the place where new agents are defined and managed. If you see multiple agent options, choose the one labeled Custom Super Agent or the agent creation area designed for tailoring behavior. Start a new custom agent by selecting the option to create or add a new agent. This opens a fresh setup screen where you'll define what the agent does and how it behaves. Think of this as the blueprint for your assistant. Now, enter the prompt, role, or job you want the agent to handle. Be explicit and outcome focused. For example, you are a project assistant that summarizes meeting notes into action items with deadlines and owners. Or act as a helpful writing coach who suggests concise edits and explains why. Clear direction. Here leads to consistent results later. Configure the agent's behavior, instructions, or preferred workflow. This is where you set the tone, level of detail, and any formatting rules. You might specify how the agent should structure answers, when to ask clarifying questions, or what it should avoid. If the interface offers options like response length, citation preferences, or multi-step reasoning, adjust them to match your goals. It helps to describe a simple workflow, such as analyze the request, plan the approach, and deliver a final answer with key takeaways. Keep instructions firm but concise so the agent doesn't get conflicting signals. When everything looks good, save the custom agent. Give it a clear, memorable name and a short description so you and your team know when to use it. Confirm that the settings are stored and the agent appears in your agent list. Finally, run a test task to make sure the agent works the way you want. Use a realistic prompt that reflects everyday use, then review the response for accuracy, tone, and formatting. If something feels off, go back to the instructions, refine your wording, save again, and rerun the test. A quick iterate and test loop now will save time later. That's it. You've signed in, created a custom agent, defined its role, configured behavior, saved it, and verified it with a test.